At the age of 40 and above, you should start preparing for many health issues, both for men and women. According to experts, the 40th birthday is the right time to take care of your health needs. It's easy to put your health aside, especially if you're busy with work and family. However, the age of 40 is a time to evaluate your health and make a long-term plan. Entering the age of 40, it's time to start doing these tips for health to keep your body healthy and avoid various health conditions that may attack. It is important for you to be able to live a lifestyle that suits your age needs. Moreover, after entering the age of 40, the body has generally experienced many things that can have an impact on overall health. This can make your body more susceptible to health problems. The body will also begin to experience physical and psychological changes in women and men. Therefore, changes in lifestyle may need to be made as a form of prevention. These changes can include work, daily habits, social relationships, and diet. Here are ways to maintain health for men and women aged 40 and over. 1. Be aware of changes in vision function at the age of 40. Vision can start to deteriorate. That is why you need to have regular eye checkups with an eye doctor. In everyday life, decreased vision function risks making it difficult for you to read various important information. While in the long term, this condition risks causing impaired vision to blindness. The leading cause of blindness in the elderly is a condition called macular degeneration. This disorder affects around 9.1 million people over the age of 40. That is why it is important to do how to maintain health for men and women over the age of 40. Prevention that can be done is to reduce the use of electronic devices, such as mobile phones, HP, and laptops. In addition, too much exposure to sunlight can also increase cataracts. In this condition, sunglasses are one way to slow down the onset of cataracts. Make sure the glasses have UVA and UVB protection, for example wearing anti-radiation glasses. 2. Find out your number. As we age, our metabolism slows down. As a result, our bodies become more susceptible to chronic diseases. The best way to avoid chronic diseases, such as heart disease, high cholesterol, and diabetes, is to maintain normal body numbers. The term number here refers to the level or amount of benchmarks that can determine the health of the body. Age 40 is a good time to check your blood pressure, cholesterol, weight, and blood sugar. You need to know what your cholesterol levels are, and if you haven't had them checked before age 40, you should do so now. Knowing these numbers will help you and your doctor identify what risk factors for disease are and how to treat or control them. This is also a way to stay healthy in your 40s for both men and women. 3. Increase mass. Starting from the age of 40, people lose about 1% of their muscle mass per year. Therefore, you can combine weight training along with cardiovascular exercise into your weekly physical activity program to get the benefits. As you age, your body may also become less flexible in moving. You can do yoga or Pilates to help improve flexibility, strength, balance, and body movement muscles. 4. Maintain a diet. If when you were young you had a slim body and did not gain weight easily, your body may experience changes so that it becomes easier to gain weight when you enter your 40s. As your body's metabolism slows down around the age of 40, maintaining a diet and reducing calorie consumption may be necessary. This aims to maintain ideal body weight and improve body health. However, it is better not to just focus on diet and limiting portion sizes. You should also make sure that you get enough fiber and fluids every day. This is the right way to maintain health for men and women over 40 years old. 5. Get your thyroid checked. If you feel tired often, gain weight for no apparent reason, and your hair and skin look dull, you should consider getting your thyroid checked. The thyroid gland can help control energy levels and regulate hormones. Well, don't wait until you have problems. At the age of 40, this could be the right time to start checking your thyroid health. 6. Avoid injuries and joint pain. This is one way to maintain health for men and women aged 40 and over. 7. Maintain bone health. Maintaining health at the age of 40 and above may feel different than when you were younger. However, this is not difficult as long as you know and are willing to do a healthy lifestyle. Those are 7 things you need to do when you reach 40 years old. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it will be useful for all of us, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.